What's up guys, AK with dcctrain. In this video I'm going to show you how the capacitor takes care about flickering of your LED bars. Those are 50708 ESU. This guy, it's more like sunny white LED, and this is different model of the bar. So especially when like club layouts, different modules, you cleaning, next day at the show it's still not clean, because of a lot of stuff going on, a lot of running sessions. So those capacitors will take care, and it's not looking good when they constantly flickering. Even nice layout, bunch of details, but like flickering, I don't like it. So 50710, two pieces inside. Here we go. So they showing diagram of that bar. They kind of soldering. It's just for diagram. I'm using wires to extend it and hide them. Here we go. So this is ESU command station. Let's wake it up. And the voltage output around 15.345. It's fluctuating because we're living like in the forest pretty much. So this bar doesn't have capacitor, and this car has capacitor. So I'm pressing that button. Check this out. The engine actually has capacitor, just like to make more cozy atmosphere. It's not gonna cut the power right away. So here we go. Actually, engine did it, but look, like at least 4 seconds. So if it's going through the switches with insulated frogs, it will be definitely flickering, bad contacts, dirty track, stuff like this. It's extra $8. You're spending already good money for those bars, and it's worth it. And that's capacitor will take care about the flickering. Thanks for watching, supporting business. If you'd like to support channel, please join membership. Have a good one. Bye bye.